Welcome to Food and Health Tips, the channel where simple food choices lead to better health and a stronger life. Here, we break down everyday foods and drinks so you can understand what they really do to your body without confusion or fear. If you care about your health and want to make smarter decisions every day, you are in the right place. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to Food and Health Tips and turn on notifications so you never miss practical health guidance that can truly improve your life. Today we are talking about milk. Milk is one of the most widely consumed foods in the world. Many people grow up believing that milk is essential for strong bones, good growth, and overall health. Others avoid it completely, believing it causes harm. So what is the truth? Milk is a powerful food with amazing nutrition, but it can also cause problems if consumed the wrong way or in excess. In this video, we will explore the real benefits of milk, the potential health risks, the best way to consume it, and important warnings you must know before making milk a daily habit. Milk is naturally rich in essential nutrients that the human body needs. One of the most well-known nutrients in milk is calcium. Calcium plays a critical role in building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. It is also important for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, and heart function. For growing children, teenagers, and older adults, calcium intake is especially important to reduce the risk of bone weakness and fractures later in life. Milk provides calcium in a form that is easily absorbed by the body, especially when combined with vitamin D. Another key nutrient found in milk is protein. Milk contains high-quality protein with all essential amino acids. These amino acids are necessary for muscle growth, tissue repair, immune function, and hormone production. For people who are physically active, recovering from illness, or trying to maintain muscle mass as they age, milk can be a convenient source of complete protein. The combination of protein and carbohydrates in milk also helps with post-workout recovery by replenishing energy and repairing muscles. Milk is also a good source of vitamins such as vitamin B12, riboflavin, and vitamin A. Vitamin B12 supports brain health, red blood cell formation, and nerve function. Riboflavin helps convert food into energy and supports healthy skin and eyes. Vitamin A plays a role in vision, immune defense, and cell growth. In many countries, milk is fortified with vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium more effectively and supports immune health. In addition to vitamins and minerals, milk contains healthy fats, depending on the type of milk you choose. These fats help absorb fat-soluble vitamins and provide long-lasting energy. Milk also contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance in the body. When consumed in moderation, milk can contribute to overall nutritional balance and support daily health needs. Despite these benefits, milk is not suitable for everyone, and it can cause health issues when consumed improperly. One of the most common problems associated with milk is lactose intolerance. Lactose is the natural sugar found in milk, and some people lack enough of the enzyme needed to digest it properly. This can lead to bloating, gas, diarrhea, stomach cramps, and discomfort after drinking milk. Lactose intolerance varies in severity, and while some people can tolerate small amounts of milk, others may need to avoid it completely or choose lactose-free alternatives. Another concern is milk allergy, which is different from lactose intolerance. A milk allergy involves the immune system reacting to milk proteins, such as casein or whey. This can cause symptoms ranging from skin rashes and digestive issues to breathing problems and, in severe cases, life-threatening reactions. Milk allergies are more common in children but can persist into adulthood. Anyone with a known milk allergy should strictly avoid dairy products. Excessive milk consumption can also lead to unwanted effects, Drinking too much milk may contribute to excess calorie intake, which can lead to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. Full-fat milk, in particular, contains saturated fat, which when consumed in large amounts may increase cholesterol levels and raise the risk of heart disease in some individuals. This is why moderation and choosing the right type of milk is important. There is also ongoing debate about milk and digestive health. For some people, milk can increase mucus production or worsen conditions like acne, although scientific evidence on this varies. Additionally, consuming large quantities of milk may interfere with iron absorption, especially in children, potentially increasing the risk of iron deficiency if milk replaces iron-rich foods in the diet. So how can you enjoy the benefits of milk while minimizing the risks? The answer lies in choosing the right type of milk, consuming it in moderation, and listening to your body. For most healthy adults, 1 to 2 cups of milk per day is generally considered safe and beneficial. Children and teenagers may need slightly more due to growth demands, while older adults should focus on balanced intake rather than excess. Choosing the right milk matters. Low-fat or semi-skimmed milk can provide essential nutrients with less saturated fat. Lactose-free milk is a good option for those with lactose intolerance, offering the same nutritional benefits without digestive discomfort. Fermented dairy products like yogurt and kefir are often easier to digest and contain beneficial probiotics that support gut health. Plant-based alternatives such as almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk can also be suitable options, but it is important to choose fortified versions to ensure adequate calcium and vitamin intake. The timing and method of consumption also play a role. Drinking milk with meals can improve digestion and reduce the likelihood of stomach discomfort. Warm milk in the evening may help some people relax and sleep better, while others may find it heavy before bedtime. Avoid combining milk with highly sugary foods, as this can lead to blood sugar spikes and digestive issues. Always store milk properly and avoid consuming spoiled or improperly handled milk to prevent foodborne illness. Warnings about overuse are essential to understand. Drinking excessive amounts of milk every day can strain digestion, contribute to nutrient imbalances, and increase calorie intake beyond your body's needs. Children who drink too much milk may eat less solid food, leading to deficiencies in other essential nutrients. Adults with kidney problems, high cholesterol, or certain hormonal conditions should consult a healthcare professional before making milk a major part of their diet. It is also important to remember that milk is not the only source of calcium or protein. Leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, fish, and fortified foods can also provide these nutrients. Milk should be part of a varied and balanced diet, not the sole foundation of nutrition. Balance is what allows milk to support health rather than harm it. As we look at the bigger picture, milk is neither a miracle food nor a dangerous poison. It is a powerful nutritional option that can support growth, strength, and overall health when used correctly. The key is understanding your body's needs and limits. Pay attention to how you feel after consuming milk. If it energizes you and feels comfortable, it can be a valuable addition to your diet. If it causes discomfort, there are many alternatives that can meet your nutritional needs without stress. In everyday life, smart food choices are not about extremes. They are about awareness, moderation, and consistency. Milk can nourish your body, support strong bones, and contribute to daily nutrition, but only when consumed wisely. Overuse or blind belief can turn even a healthy food into a problem. Knowledge is what transforms food into medicine. Thank you for spending your time with Food and Health Tips. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to live healthier. Your support helps us bring you honest, simple, and useful health content every day. Remember this powerful thought as you go forward. Health is not about what you consume the most, but about how wisely you choose. Drink milk with understanding, eat with balance, and your body will reward you with strength, energy, and a healthier life.